How do cats view humans? Honestly, you would have wondered about this, haven't you? You are sitting there on your porch thinking about stuff, and your cat comes and sits in front of you, starts slow blinking at you. People say that it is a cat's way of saying I love you, and you are okay with it. But somewhere within you, you are really curious as to how do our feline kids look at us. The question is natural, and it is something every cat owner asks given the mysterious nature of cats. In this video, in the light of my research and knowledge, I will help you to understand how do cats view humans. Of course one cannot be too sure about how cats view us. You have to be a cat to know that completely. But believe me or not, there have been researches and evidence-based proofs depicting to a great degree of certainty as to what exactly goes in a cat's mind and when she is looking at you. So, without any further delay, let's take a deep dive into understanding as to how cats view humans and the world around them. Cats may have chosen to get domesticated, some say around 4,000 years back, when overpopulation of rodents may have driven the Egyptians to bow down to feline gods. Ever since, humans, as fickle with the love as we are, have had their hearts stolen by these oddly cute creatures. And as time would have it, today there are more than 80 million cats in United States. It is estimated that there are around 3 cats for every dog on this planet. I am dearly waiting for the dawn of the Planets of the Cats movie. It is coming, I'm telling you. One would expect, since we have been with them for so long, we must know everything about them. But no sir, we don't. And we are fascinated by aliens. Come on. One of the leading experts in cat behavior after years of research has come to the conclusion that cats don't see us as the way dogs do. When I watched one episode of My Cats from Hell by Jackson Galaxy, there was this couple who, because they had a history of having dogs, decided to get a cat. And for some reason, they were trying to play with their cat the way one would play with their dog, by roughing him up and forcing her to roll on the floor. I was like, oh my god, that is why we are all so stupid. Anyways, back to the point. Let's make this as clear as crystal. Don't do the mistake of thinking cats see us the same way dogs do. John says it is pretty clear that dogs view humans as someone different than themselves. As soon as dogs are awake of the fact that they are in the vicinity of humans, they actually change their behavior. The very way dogs play with humans is very different than how dogs play among themselves. He has gone through an elaborate process of observing cat behaviors in individual, shelter-based and feral colony capacities. His research includes analyzing cat behaviors when they play with toys, relationships with their owners, and holding out surveys on how cat parents perceive their cats. Studies clearly mark out that the cat's eyes don't see us as separate entities in which they envision to socialize with us. They are well aware of the fact that we are bigger and stronger than them. But it seems that they haven't used this as a cue to modify their behavior. Because raising their tails up, trying to knead us, rubbing their heads and bodies against us, and grooming us is very precisely the behavior cats express around other cats. So, you may now wonder, do cats think we are just big stupid cats? Well, no one can tell you for sure, to be honest. But I definitely believe that they might think that we are clumsy. John, in his book, says that cats view their humans as someone indistinguishable from how they view other cats. But he says they don't necessarily see us as being dumb and stupid. The point being, cats only look as if they are planning something against us. Maybe they don't even care. They are so innocent that they can observe us without any reason. Obviously when their stomach is full. And maybe that freaks us out. Now, what about colors? How do cats view humans in terms of color perception? In technical terms, cats can indeed see colors. But it is more likely that cats see humans and everything around us in a very different light than what humans do. Cats' eyes have very few cones in their retina which respond to red light. This means their world most likely appears a combination of blue, grey and yellow. The colors red and green are almost impossible for cats to tell apart. which may make us wonder, and rightly so. Oh, now I wonder how it must feel to be a cat. Anyways, moving on. So, can cats view humans in terms of their uniqueness? Here is the interesting part. With respect to some studies that were conducted regarding pattern and visual recognition in pets, either cats can't tell faces of humans apart or they just don't bother how we look like. A study was conducted at the University of Texas at Dallas and Pennsylvania State University in 2005 to observe about object and pattern recognition and discernment. On the basis of reward behavior, cats and dogs were taught to choose between different images. When the cats were given the option to choose between two images, each containing the images of their handler or a complete stranger, the cats chose their handler only about 50% of time. When shown the images of other cats, 90.7% of the time, cats chose the image of a familiar cat over a stranger cat. Similarly, when given the option of choosing between ecosystems, cats recognized a familiar ecosystem 85.8% of the time. So, this study proves that although cats are very visually perceptive, they are just not good at discerning faces. So, how do cats view humans then? I mean, they clearly recognize humans, right? Yes, of course, your cat does recognize you. She isn't just sitting there plotting how to get the next meal out of you. Although, many times it may seem like that. Cats do indeed recognize their humans, just not in the same way as us. Instead of using facial recognition, cats use their other sensory capacities like the sense of smell, how we feel, the intensity of our persona, our voice to know who we are. So, what can we conclude about how do cats view humans and their environment? See, here is the thing. Cats and animals in general are strictly territorial beings. When you extrapolate this nature in association with humans, without any doubt, cats do view humans as their own if they happen to include you in the borders of territory. As far as the question of how do cats view humans is considered, depending on the already conducted research and researches that will be conducted in the future, we may actually never know how exactly cats view humans, but we can surely say they understand our communication of compassion. So yeah, maybe cats don't see our faces the way we think we do, or may not recognize our faces or our personality the way we think they should do. But cats sure do see us as their own. If that isn't love, I don't know what it is. So, with this, we are at the end of this video. Take great care of yourselves and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.